What is up, guys? This is 90s Project Vlog and welcome back to the Civic build. In today's video, we'll be washing our car on COVID-19 lockdown. Let's get started. And so as most of you guys are stuck at home kasi nga meron tayong COVID lockdown, it is best to wash your car yourselves. Washing your car yourselves, may benefits din tayo dyan kasi you get to know your car better. Makikita natin yung mga gas-gas, mapapansin agad natin kung anong meron sa kotse natin pag may difference na or pag may bagong mga gas-gas or dents. Kasi we wash our own cars. Like for me, sabi sa akin ng dad ko before, matuto kang mag-wash ng car mo kasi makikita mo yung mga small details ng kotse mo. Yeah, so like for me, due to COVID lockdown, 2 weeks na siyang hindi naka-car wash. And then a few days before, may mga times na umuulan sa hapon tapos natutuyuan siya ng dumi o alikabok kasi nasa labas lang siya. So it's the best time to wash our cars para hindi rin na tayo naboboard sa lockdown ng COVID. Without further ado, tara explain ko na sa inyo kung ano yung mga gagamitin natin to clean and freshen up the Civic. So here's what we're going to use to wash the car. First off, since COVID lockdown, wala akong car shampoo sa trunk ko, I'll be using local brand shampoo. Why shampoo? Kasi hindi siya masyadong harsh sa paint and sa clear coat ng paint. So if you guys have car shampoo, use it, but if wala, you can use a shampoo din. And I'll be using tabo. Diyan ko ilalagay yung shampoo, dadilute ko ng tubig para bumula. And meron din akong water hose. Tapos I'll be using this sponge to dip dito sa shampoo base natin, tapos yun yung pang kuskus ko para medyo gentle. Meron din akong microfiber towel and chamoy, I don't know how to pronounce, pero kung alam nyo guys, just comment down below. Pero kasi ito yung ayan, medyo damp siya, moist, malambot, ganda siyang pang tuyo. For the windows and the windshield, gamitin natin itong Turtle Wax Clear View Glass Cleaner. Gagamitin ko to kasi it has slight hydrophobic effect siguro, and mas maganda, mas malinaw yung windshield. Since nagpa-clear tint din ako, medyo effective siya sa akin. Ayan. Ito. And for our tires, I'll be using tire black. Medyo paubos na rin siya kasi ginagamit ko talaga siya every time na nagka-car wash ako. Tire black to protect our tires, tsaka medyo glossy yung effect niya, maganda tignan, para siyang basa. Ayan. So we're all set. So punta na tayo sa car to wash it. Okay, so mix na natin yung shampoo and water solution. Just wala siguro yan. Ayan, para mabula siya. So, ayan. Meron tayong solution ng shampoo and water. Pag wala kayong car shampoo. So there you go guys, tapos na natin siyang i-car wash and it's almost, I think it's already 6 p.m. Ayan. So ang tip ko sa inyo, wash your car early in the morning or late in the afternoon para hindi masyadong mainit. Ayan. So that's about it guys. If you like my video, please hit that thumbs up button, share the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Peace.